Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got Glance in the building, and I'm telling you, with this watch face, my man outdid himself. You're gonna like this one. Now, the name of the watch face is called Glance Streak. Very nice looking watch face. You're gonna love this one. The weekend is coming up. You may want to take a close look at this one, and it is affordable in the Gear Manager store. Now, let's take a look at this. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much gonna get the same look for the Gears 3. Now, for the Gears 2, it looks nice as well in AOD mode. Not bad for either one. But let's talk about the beauty of this watch face that I like. First off, you get a few dials, right? You get the best of both worlds, analog, and you also get digital time at the top. Now with your dials, if you look to the right, you will get your step info, and if you look to the left, you will get your battery info, and down at the bottom, of course, you have your date and your days of the week as well. If I tap here, I can bring up my calendar, set the event. I can tap right here, bring up my step information, calories burned. I can go into my step status info. And if I tap here, I can get my battery info. So I like what he brought to the table with this one. And yes, I'm going to give him 2 thumbs up in the door. I thought he did an awesome job already. I like the look of the background. Really brings it out. Give it a slight elegant look along with the fact that it is a casual watch face. If I double tap though, yes, nice. This is for the daytime when I'm out and about and the sun is shining. And if I double tap again, I can take it back home for when I'm going out. Now, also, check it out. You get 13 of these, right? The stripes. You double tap, cycle through all 13 that this watch face has to offer, and it has a lot. Let's cut it on, see how it looks when it's on. Not bad. Not bad at all. I thought Glance did an awesome job with this watch face. But at the end of the day, you know what I'm going to say. It's all about you. What do you think? All right, you all, make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you thought of this watch face. And we're going to check out watch face number 2. Now, this one is called Glance Reactor. I thought he did a great job on this one as well. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. The difference is it's just a matter of the color theme. But still, you get all the info you need at a glance with no problem. But let's take a look at the watch face when it's on, because I like the uniqueness of this one. Now, if you look at the top, you're going to get your month, your date. You come down, you're going to get your miles walked or ran here. You're going to get your S health and your steps there. And they made the seconds in the middle. I like the layout of the time, digital time that is. And you get your battery info right there. Now, the color that's going on around the index really brings the watch face out. Considering that it's a casual watch face, it gives it a better look. I'm liking it. And it is inactive. So if I tap on the little running man, I can go into my step status info if I like. And if I tap right here, I can bring up my weather. Weather is important to me. Very important to me. And down here is going to be your battery life. Now, if I double tap right here, I can customize the color. You get 6 color changes and all. Just cycle through. It's not bad, right? But at the end of the day, you know it's all about you and what you think. Just let me know. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one, because I like the look of this. I like the uniqueness. I like the layout of the time. It's a great looking watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please, by all means, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.